Today, we're going to be going over how to create a task in your TechnoMile Growth Suite. Tasks can be associated to any record, including accounts, contacts, or opportunities. And they're a great way to keep track of what you've done for a particular record or what is upcoming for a particular record. So for starters, we're going to log into our Growth Suite. And we're going to log a task against an account. So we're going to open up our accounts. We're going to go to the United States Space Force. From here on the right side, you'll notice your activity section. So you'll have things like emails, events, and finally tasks. So we're going to create a task. We're going to call this find contacts at USS. And we're going to assign this to ourselves, which is by default. If we wanted to assign this to another user within our company, we could do that, just clicking the X and selecting another user. And then additionally, we can assign a due date. So we're going to set ourselves a due date of October 8th. If this task was related to a specific contact, we could also tie it to a contact here. But otherwise, it'll just be related to United States Space Force. And we save. And you'll notice that we have a number of tasks, including some overdue ones for this account already, but we find our new task that we just created right here on the right side.